Have you ever wondered how a computer decides the best move in a game like chess, without checking every single possibility? The secret is something called alpha-beta pruning. And don't worry, it's simpler than it sounds. First, a quick recap. AI often uses the Minimax algorithm to make decisions in two-player games. One player is the maximizer, always trying to get the highest score. The other is the minimizer, trying to block them by lowering the score. So the AI explores all possible moves, assuming both sides play perfectly. The problem? The number of moves grows huge, and Minimax wastes time checking every branch of the game tree. Alpha-beta pruning is a trick that makes Minimax faster. It doesn't change the final result. It just skips over moves that don't matter. Here's the idea. Alpha is the best score the maximizer has found so far. Beta is the best score the minimizer has found so far. Now imagine you're checking a move. If you already know one option is better than the other, why waste time looking deeper? That's what pruning does, cuts off useless branches. Let's say the AI finds one move that guarantees a score of +5. Now it looks at another move, but halfway through, it sees the score can only reach +3. Wait a second. Why keep going? +5 is already better. So the AI stops exploring that branch. Snip! That's pruning in action. By avoiding unnecessary calculations, alpha-beta pruning makes the AI much faster. In fact, it can cut the work in half. That's why modern game AIs, like those in chess or checkers, can think many steps ahead in just seconds. So, in short, Minimax is the brain of the AI. Alpha-beta pruning is the shortcut that makes it quick. Together, they let computers play games like real champions. Pretty cool, right? Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this simple explanation, hit like and subscribe for more easy tech breakdowns.